If you're experiencing issues with Apex Legends updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Shut down your gaming device completely and then restart it. This can help clear temporary files and refresh the system, potentially resolving the update issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services to confirm connectivity. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by unplugging the power cable for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the GameOS installation folder and deleting temporary files. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing the update to stall. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming the download. This can sometimes kickstart the update process and allow it to continue downloading. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the game and can resolve any persistent issues with the update process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and get back to playing Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider checking official forums or support channels for further assistance.